Feel like it's fall now, so I went shopping. I just bought a ton of stuff from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to be spending the next few days uploading videos of me making each one of these items. Okay, it's Monday evening, I'm home by myself, and I'm ready for dinner. I'm going to be making this Trader Joe's Pumpkin Bisque? This Trader Joe's Pumpkin Bisque, but I will also be cooking this Trader Joe's pumpkin bread and making grilled cheese sandwiches from it, both from Trader Joe's. So I can't wait to try this. I hope it's good. I've never had pumpkin bread. I've also never had pumpkin bisque before, so can't wait to tell you guys what I think. So I may have messed up. So I just wanted to try new things, and I'm looking at the quality of this bread. Look at it. It's thick. It's like, smells like cinnamon. This smells, and I haven't tasted it yet, but it smells just like a dessert kind of bread would taste. However, on the packaging, which is the reason why I purchased this bread, it says it's good for French toast, sandwiches, right there, sandwiches. I'm making cheese sandwiches. And then toast with nut butter. So I'm gonna go all in. I'm not a quitter. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna make grilled cheese sandwiches with this bread. I will tell you if this was a terrible idea. Don't worry. But let's go make it. Okay, so we are going to put the butter on now. Kind of scared to try this. I hope it tastes good. It's, you know, it does smell really nice though. I can like give it that compliment. This is gonna be a really thick grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are like me, but I actually have a favorite burner. So this one right here is my favorite. This one takes forever to get ready and to get heated, so I don't use this one as much. These ones I really don't even touch unless I'm making a lot of food and I just have to use them because I have no other options. So I hope I'm not crazy. That is what I do though. Don't even get me started on the knives. There is one good knife. It is in the dishwasher. I will try to show it to you though. Okay, still kind of dirty, but this one is my favorite knife. I don't know what it's called, but I love it. I use it for everything. It will literally cut anything I need. It's my favorite. Okay, so according to this packaging, we only want to cook this on medium heat for 4 to 6 minutes. So that's why I haven't put it in yet. So I'm just gonna let the burner heat up a little bit more, maybe another minute. Then I'll put probably about half the jar in. Maybe less than half. Let's check the serving size. So there's 3 servings per 1 container. So I'm gonna try to put 1/3 in this. But while that's all working, we're gonna go ahead and put these down. Okay, I just want to point out that I just tried a little bit of the bread. I know I wanted to wait, but this totally tastes like dessert bread, guys. Like this is like cinnamon, sugary. I don't know what that would taste as a real sandwich. Like how would that taste with real sandwich stuff inside of it? I have no idea. At least I have a theme. Okay, so I think it's almost ready. I can't wait to try this. The bread definitely is looking great. Okay, I'm about to take it out, but before I do, I just wanted to show you guys, look, I got a mic. So check this out, check this mic out. It's so cool. There's just a little piece that plugs into my phone, and it's hopefully gonna work so much better. So please let me know in the comments below if this is helping the audio. Look how flat this got. This is 2 slices of the bread plus 2 pieces of cheese inside. This looks so delicious. It smells great. I think it's gonna be really good. I can't wait to try it. Okay, if my husband's watching, I am using a spoon on this, but I'm not scratching it, I promise. I spilled some on the floor. Okay, it's ready. I can't wait to try this. Okay, so got my soup, got my grilled cheese sandwich. We're gonna dip it. It's like fall. It's like I'm eating fall. So just to talk more about the bread, it is very sweet. This is very sweet bread. I think the soup is also very sweet too, so it's like a very sweet kind of a meal. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I've never had pumpkin bisque before, but I would probably buy it again, I think. The bread, I like it. It's not that I don't not like it. I don't know that it's good for grilled cheese sandwiches, but I will be finishing this. So I'll eat pretty much anything. But if I could do it over again, I would probably just get some whole wheat bread, dip it. But I just want it to be more festive with the pumpkin season. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be enjoying the rest of this meal. Again, my husband is out of town, so I'm gonna watch Below Deck and just have the time of my life. I wish I was on a yacht. Okay, so I wanted to give a quick update. So I finished one of the grilled cheeses. I have this much left of the second one. I'm full. I don't think I can eat anymore, so I'll probably just save this for lunch tomorrow. I think it's very sweet. That's all I have to say, is that it's really sweet. If you want like a pumpkin sweet kind of meal, this would be great for that. But it's just too sweet for me right now. So instead, I'm not gonna finish it. Let's go put it back up.